Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can reset your Thinkphone by Motorola to factory settings. Maybe you just collected a lot of data, you want to start fresh again, or you have another phone and you want to sell this one. First thing we want to do is we want to take out the SIM card or SIM cards if you have two inserted. For that you need your SIM card ejector or a simple paper clip to open the slot down here. Then take that out and then put this thing back in, other way around. And now we want to go to our settings, go to password and accounts, and go to our Google account and say remove account. Yes, verifying that it's us. And now we need to go back and go to system and then reset options. You can reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. You can reset app preferences. You can reset baseband settings or erase all data. Factory reset. This will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. Erase all data. Put in our PIN to verify that it's us. Again, the question if we want to erase all data, all of your personal information and downloaded apps will be deleted. You cannot undo this action. Alright, and now it's resetting and deleting all the data. And now we're back at the start. We can make emergency calls, set vision settings, select our language and get started here again. So that's how you can perform a factory reset on your Thinkphone by Motorola. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.